Welcome to this tutorial on how to use the CougarVIEW course template in CougarVIEW. Today, we will identify the basic uses for the preloaded pages and activities in this template. From the course home toolbar, if you click on Content, you will see that it takes you to a list of modules used for working a course. The first three modules are standard and cannot be deleted. Since we have a template of modules we are using, these first three are not used. We'll start here by looking at the table of contents. The CougarVIEW course template begins with the Start Here module. The semester and year are included to allow for easier file management. The Start Here module has a collection of preloaded pages and activities for your students to get to know you as an instructor and receive information on how to work through your course. The Welcome page allows you to introduce yourself. So you would replace this text with a welcome message to your students. You can also insert a professional image of yourself. There is also an option to welcome the students using a short video using Video Note. Here is a short tutorial here on how to use Video Note. To edit this page, you would click next to the title on the drop-down arrow and select Edit HTML. This makes the page editable by bringing up the HTML toolbar. The toolbar has some of the same features as a Microsoft Word toolbar. You can change the font, size, and color. You can add images by clicking this icon that looks like a picture and uploading a picture from your computer. And then when you're finished editing the page, select Save and Close. The next document is the course syllabus. There are categories of information for you to edit, and you can customize this for your course. Next is the CSU institution-wide policies. This page is updated by the Center of Online Learning each semester, so the instructor does not have to do this. Next, you will see the Student Support Services page. This provides links for students to a variety of sources. The last thing you will see in the Start Here module is an activity called Get to Know Each Other. This gives the students a great opportunity to get to know each other while having practice using the discussion tool. Now let's look at Module 1. At the top, you see the title. You can change this by clicking Edit Title here by clicking the drop-down arrow. So instead of modules, maybe you organize your course by units or weeks. You can make that change here. To the right, you see an eye icon. If I click on this icon, it shows that the module is visible to the students. You click on this icon to hide the module so that the students cannot see it. You can see now that there is an eye with a line through it and the word hidden next to it. And to make it visible again, simply click on the icon again. In addition, you can add dates and restrictions to the module. You can set a start date, a due date, or end date. You can also set release conditions. You can have modules released when certain conditions are met. For example, if they need to post on the discussion board or complete a quiz before moving to the next module. And to update these changes, you would select Update. In this module, there is an overview page right here, 3 content topics, a place to add activities and assessments, and a review page. The overview page is set up so that the instructor can provide an overview of the module, a summary. There are module objectives, a task list, and you can edit all this to however you need. The content topic page allows the instructor to add verbiage, media, articles, and other resources. Instructors may find that they don't need 3 content pages, and that is okay because they can be deleted. The review page allows the instructor to remind students about the module and objectives, and sum up and review any material in the module. I'm going to come back up here to the top, and you can see here that underneath Module 1, there is a place where you can add another module. So you would just click in the box and add the title. And again, this is the basic template that you will see when you click in side of your course. And if you have any questions about the Start Here module or any of the resources that are provided for you, please reach out to the Center of Online Learning and let us know.